seem to make sense, so I'm done. I hope it's not too late for me. I aim to find a place to be the coolest person you have ever seen. Pay that price to be free.